Darshan Guru,
Darshan,
from
Darshan
my
Guru,
heart.
and we are at the holy premises of Ma Bageshwari. So let's move, Guru. Let's
Yeah,
make a
Guru.
little talk on it, Guru.
Yeah, Guru.
Guru,
It is the temple of Lord Shiva, Guru.
yes, Guru.
That is very strict one, Guru.
True, Guru.
There is a belief who has come for their specific wishes that can be fulfilled as one get the darshan of Shiva, Guru.
True,
This is
Guru.
the temple of Shiva. Most stakeholder Shiva that is a very unique in the universe. Guru.
Universe. Only here, I think.
Only
The
Nepalganj, Nepal, that is available here. And who get darshan of Shiva,
yes, Guru.
this most stakeholder Shiva, and their desires, their wishes are fulfilled very soon.
True, Guru.
The true Guru, that is the belief of people.
And only the one temple. I have visited so many temples of Shiva.
Shiva Guru.
And out of that, the only this temple where I have found mustache,
Mustache Guru.
on Shiva,
Shiva.
which is a very unique sign, I think, in the world. And the another thing that Guru can highlight the importance of Shiva and Shakti, because at one place,
Yeah.
one side there is a Shiva,
Shiva.
and there is another side is Shakti,
Shakti, Guru.
and it's a Shakti Peeth.
Yeah, Guru.
And-
And this is the meaning. It indicates that to have a life,
Yes, Guru.
and we need both Guru. Shakti
And-
along with Shiva.
If only Shiva,
Shiva,
there is a no
no
life.
complete. For completeness,
Yes, Guru.
there is a need of Shiva along with Shakti. When Shiva is with Shakti, and the progress can be done very soon, Guru. There is a belief.
And this is the temple of
Mahadeva.
Mahadeva, Lord of Lords. And the very unique temple, it is in Nepalganj, on the holy soil of Nepal, right, Guru? Can we take little closer from it,
Yeah,
Guru?
please, Guru. I remain up to here, Guru. And Guru may go inside up to here, Guru. Please, Guru.
No,
No, from
from
there, Guru. Very, very, very there. Why not, Guru?
Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Mahadeva, Devadi Dev, Adi Dev, Ananta Dev, Maheshwara, Panchvakra. The way my wish to do, Lord Shiva, the welfare of all people, to bless them. I don't have any personal wish, and I have only one wish, to do the welfare, and I do pray to you, Devadi Dev, for the good health of my elder mother. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Guru, continue with you in a conversation of that, and because Guru is a very good reciter of the mantras and Vedic Quran, and then as and
make
to what is the
happy
why we recite Guru Om Klim Chamundai
Om
Vishe.
Airing Kling Chamunda Vishe, that is the, it is known as Bij mantra.
These
Bij
months.
means the seed.
Okay.
Seed of her happy Guru. To make her happy, we cannot decide all verses, all this or one all things. And if we recite this Om Airing Kling Chamunda Vishe, and the goddess Ma Bageshwari becomes happy, when she becomes happy and she fulfills all the desires of the devotees, Guru.
And in Hindu philosophy and aestheticism,
True, Guru.
there is the one line which I have read, that there is a power in seed.
Seeds, Guru.
As you said that these are Bij mantra, Om Krim Chamundai Viche, hai na? So then because if there is a no seed, no plant,
No plant.
no progress, no evolution of the world. So as you have made it very clear from the Vedantic like from the Sanatan point of view, from the Hindu philosophy, and then I want that you just little highlight the importance, because
Yeah.
Bageshwari Ma is called as a one great Shakti Peeth. So
Just 1 minute, Guru. I want to add one thing more.
true, Guru.
And this Bageshwari, that is known as the Sati Devi's tomb.
Okay.
Bageshwari, Bag means the strong, Guru.
Okay,
The
Bag,
tongue
the
of
meaning of the word Bag
Bag
means
means
tongue. Right.
that tongue was fallen while Satidev was taken by
Carrying by
Mahadeva.
Shiva.
That time the part of Satidevi tongue was fallen in this place. And whoever get darshan of this tongue, whoever gets the darshan of this Bhageshwari, and their voice cannot go futile, their words cannot go be as useless one. That they can get whatever they speak, that comes true. That is belief.
True. Okay. Okay. So that's why that is why it is a one great Shakti Peeth of Sati Devi. And at the same time, I would like to request you, because you are well aware of the story of Ma Sati and story of Shiva Shakti, as well as there is a one more episode. I think the one more version of Hindu story there, how Vishnu helped Shiva to get married Parvati Ma. So if you, in a very interesting manner, will highlight it in a very short, so I would be very, very grateful to you.
Thank you, Guru, for this. I know when Mahadeva lost his first wife Sati Devi,
True, Guru.
then he became disbalanced one.
Right.
And he used to remain in the Kailas, and this very extreme place. And that time he was not so familiar with the common other people.
True,
And
Guru.
that time he wanted to get remarry, and no one was ready to hand over daughter to him.
True.
That time he took the help from
Lord Vishnu.
Lord Vishnu, and Lord Vishnu went to Ma Parvati's house, and he claimed himself as a
Candidate.
bridegroom, as
Okay.
a bridegroom.
True,
Because
true.
if this bridegroom is Mahadeva, they could not allow for him. So Vishnu stood as the bridegroom while that garlanding
Putting
time,
garland.
that time this Vishnu shifted from the place, and that time this garland was garlanded to Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva got married to Mahadeva, got married to Parvati, and then after marriage they remain happy, they bless the creatures. This is
Okay.
the small stories. Whatever I know, I describe.
We are very, very thankful, the entire team and entire Hindu philosophy and group, that you have very nicely figured out and highlighted the importance of Shiv Shakti and the role of Sati Devi, or as well as the Parvati and the wedding of Shiva from the holy soil of Himalaya, Nepal. And I'm really, really thankful for this, your enlightenment, and may the blessing of the divine with us. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Guru.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank
I'm
you.
grateful to my Guru.
Thank you.
At
Thank you
least
so
I
much.
could have a
There.
small words
Thank
for
you.
my Guru. Thank you, Guru.
Thank you.
That
Thank
is
you.
the grace, that is the blessings of my Guru.
we
along
we are
with the
we, we
Mass
are
Guru,
we are
Mass
always
Bageshwari.
in it. So now you people all can see the gate or entry gate of Ma Bageshwari, which is a one Shakti Peeth in Nepalganj, and I'm going to show you the temple from the outside. The main temple of Ma Bageshwari, you can see, very beautiful temple, nice one. And here is the Sham Ganesh is here. Jal Vinayakam, Surya Vinayakam, Ashta Vinayakam, Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Sampravardhan, Nirvigan Dev Me Kuru Sarva Karyasu Sarvada. And here is a one temple which is also usual, a very unusual sight in Nepal, is that this Shiva temple is not in a pagoda Shaili, it is in the Shaili of Shail Shikhar Shaili. and Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. You can see the darshan of Tatpurushaya Nama, Vamdevaya Nama, Aghoraya Nama, Sajjotaya Nama. All I hope that get blessed. The puja archana is going on the feet of Lord Ganesha. There is a Havan Kund, and of course Sunday, the day of Ma Durga. And a very interesting thing is that when you visit Nepal and you meet the devotees, they put a very high red tika on their forehead. I'm also feeling very delighted and happy to be at the holy place of Ma Bageshwari.